Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool place value chart. We are ordering numbers with a problem related to TEKS 3.2D, and we will solve it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have a table. We've got four different national parks with four separate numbers of visitors each year. Looks like they each go to the 10,000th place. And you notice that we've got some statements we need to complete. So this would be, if this were the STAR test, these would be drop downs. You would hit the button and you would get possible answer choices with A, B, C, and D, and then you'd have to compare. So in order for us to do this, we are going to build a place value chart. And what we want to do is we want to draw a table. It's going to have 5 columns. If we need 5 columns, we only need 4 lines. And we need those 5 columns because there's 5 place values that we are looking at. We're looking at the ones, the tens, the hundreds, the thousands, and the 10,000s. If you want, you can put the values above, though I will say that once you get 1,000 or more, you start adding a whole bunch of zeros. You need to make sure you have enough space. So in order for us to evaluate this, my suggestion is that we just put all four numbers on the place value chart, regardless of the order, because once they're on the chart, they're going to be a little bit easier for us to look at and try to decide which one is largest, which one is smallest. So 63,415, 58,902, 63,980, and then 72,150. And let's go ahead and label these as Park A, Park B, Park C, and Park D. We'll draw some lines to separate them. All right, so now we can look at each place value separately, and that's going to help us make some decisions. So look at this first statement here. The first statement says the park with the most. All right, so when we are looking for the most, we are looking for the greatest number. And when we evaluate numbers and try to find the greatest or the least or put them in order, all we need to do is we need to look at each place value one digit at a time. We always start with the largest place value first. And since we're looking for the greatest, we're looking for our 10,000th place. We're looking for the 10,000th place that has the greatest digit in it. And look what I've got. I've got a 6, 5, 6, and 7. Well, this 7 is greater than the 6's or the 5, which means I don't need to look at anything else. They all go to the same place value. If one of them extended to the 100,000s or only went to the thousands, that would be different. But since they all go to the 10,000s, 7 10,000s or 70,000 is always going to be bigger than 60,000 or 50,000. So that's my greatest park. That's pretty easy. This is Park D. Now, we need to look at the fewest. All right, so this is going to be our least. So we are going to do the same thing. We're going to look at the greatest place value. Now, if one of these only went to the thousands place, then we would have to assume that there was a 0 in the 10,000s, and that would be the smallest. But since they all go to the 10,000s place, I can do the same thing, and now I'm looking for the smallest digit. Okay? Now, I've got a 6, 5, 6, and 7. Well, it's not going to be Park D because we've already decided that was the greatest. Now I'm looking at Park B. That's got the least. 5 10,000s or 50,000 is always going to be smaller than 60,000. So I don't need to look at anything else. Park B is our fewest. That's pretty easy. Now I need to compare Park A and Park C. These are the two I haven't looked at yet. Park A and Park B. Park A has more or less. Well, let's evaluate. I've got a 6 in the 10,000s. All right, that's the same. So you move over one digit. I've got a 3 in the thousands. That's the same. They're both 63,000. You move over one digit. So I've got a 4 in the hundreds, and I've got a 9 in the hundreds. That's the difference. So 400 something is going to be less than 900 something. I don't need to look at anything else once I've found that difference. So Park A, 63,400, is going to be less than 63,900.